In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify email templates. Custom email templates are a great way to make your store look more professional and on brand, even in your customers' inboxes. I'll walk you through the exact path in your Shopify admin, show you where to add your logo, how to change your colors, and where to go if you want deeper customization with code. Follow along in your own Shopify dashboard as we go. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on that main page, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you control all the behind-the-scenes details of your store. Inside settings, look for the section labeled notifications and click on that. Notifications is where Shopify controls all the emails and messages your store sends automatically, such as order confirmations, shipping updates, and password resets. On the notifications page, you'll see different categories. Find the area called Customer Notifications. This is the section that controls the emails your customers receive. At the top of this page, there's an option that says Customize Email Templates. Click on that to open Shopify's email template customization screen. Here, you'll see options to visually customize the layout and style of your email templates. In the logo section, click on Add Image to upload or select your store logo. Try to use a clear, high-quality version of your logo so it looks sharp in customers' inboxes. Once it's added, you can adjust the logo size to make sure it's not too big or too small. Below that, you'll see color options for your email template. You can change these colors to match your brand's primary and accent colors. For example, you might match your button color to the main color on your website and adjust the background and text colors so everything is easy to read. If you want even more control, there's an option to edit the code of the templates. This is typically written in HTML and Liquid. Only use this if you're comfortable working with code, or consider copying the existing code first so you have a backup. When you're happy with your logo, colors, and any code changes, make sure you click Save. This applies your changes